Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your workplace address in the Moovit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the work button, and you can use your current location, but you can also choose it on the map. So here's that little orange circle, and just find your street of your workplace, and once it is set, you will see the street name on the bottom of the page, by the way, and then just click on choose, and then just click on the save button, and here your workplace is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.